Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Redmi or Xiaomi phone. So I'm going to share two options in your phone settings. The first one, you just go to settings. In settings, look for about phone. Open that, scroll down, you will see factory reset. You just press that and press erase all data. This will erase everything from your phone. In case you want to give it away or sell it, you have to erase everything. This will erase all your personal information from your phone. The second option, open settings, scroll down to additional settings. In additional settings, you will see factory reset. Press that and press erase all data. Erase all data. You back up first. You will have to back up your data first because all data will be erased. You can transfer all your files to USB drive or micro SD card or a computer. If you don't know how to do that, check the videos in the description. Once you have done the backup, press factory reset and then press next. Now just press OK and wait for your phone to restart. This is how to reset a Redmi or a Xiaomi phone to factory settings and erase everything. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment. See you on the next one.